Hey there all, and yet another video for the Markerbids. I won tool multi-kit for opening your just about anything from the loader to the gun, and I won Dye multi-kit, and I got it today finally. It's Saturday. We were supposed to go playing today, but unfortunately a friend of ours got sick, so we couldn't go. That sucked. Stayed home, drank a lot of stuff. Vodka mostly. Yeah, but that was fun. So let's see what I've got here. Let's open it up. Multi-kit. I wanted... Oh, it's a smaller ones. Very nice. Yeah, PB. I have bigger ones. Bigger one? Smaller one. Let's see what I've got here. Wow. Let's see the most important one that I was looking for. O-ring kit. Then there's straight one. With the one that everyone always needs. Bottle opener. This is nice. Then there is I've never used this one. I have no idea what this is. Ouch. Oh, it's a blade. That's nice. Screwdriver, Phillips head. No idea what this is. And there's Phillips head. This is very important one. I didn't have this one, bigger one. 1/4 inch. I wanted that. All in one too. Very nice. Dye multi-kit. So once again, got it from Markerbids.com. I won it on the 9th. Today is I think 18th. Yeah, but Mike shipped it on the 15th, judging by the slip that I got. And that's okay, I got it. I'm happy. I bought it for 43 cents. I believe I used like 5 beads or so, maybe 10. The funniest part is I had like 14 beads left, and I was thinking, what should I buy with that? I didn't want to get another pack of 300, so I thought, hey, that's a nice tool. I can always use it. And what I know, I won it for probably 9 beads. Yeah, 9 beads. Next day I got the return from the NT, I got the return from the rebates, and I bought another 300 pack. That was fun, but that day I had only 14 beads, and I still won. Yeah, that's nice. So there we go, a multi-tool with everything there. Very nice. Brand new in a box. There we go, that's the box. Multi-tool. And I got it on Markerbids.com. Yeah, I'm a little drunk, I'm sorry. Well, good night everyone, have fun, I'll see you tomorrow.